YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a Dollar Tree haul. Well, a couple weeks worth of Dollar Tree hauls because I was on vacation for a couple of weeks and went back to work, and then I had a week of going to Florida. Now I'm back home again. So this is probably a month and I haven't done a video. So I'm just putting it all together. Because it's like 3 or 4 different small little Dollar Tree hauls, but this is going to be all one Dollar Tree haul minus this one thing. And I will show you. That's just some chain that I got from Walmart, jewelry chain. The rest of this is Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to jump right in. But first I want to say welcome to my channel. Welcome back. You're always welcome here. And guess what? It's free of charge. Boom. What can you get there with this type of inflation? Anyway, got some, oh seriously, I got batteries that are missing the battery. Like seriously? I bought a pack of batteries and it doesn't have 8 in here. Wow, snap. I have to pay more attention. So anyway, what did I get? Alright, like I said, it's about a month old, but this floral wire. I got 2 of these fridge soda can storages just used in my craft room to store some stuff. I like these. These are not, I mean, they're good, but you know, they're not as solid in the sense that the shape doesn't bend, but they still can store a lot of little stuff in here. They want to show you some of the Rick Rack. I don't even know if I posted these, but we have the like a turquoise, purple, and a pink. And I believe there's a yellow and a green, but that's what I had. I bought some more of those little diamond fillers. 3 packs of those. And I was at a different Dollar Tree, and I bought these letter tiles. I wanted to do my kid's name on a canvas, just to stick in my craft room, or put in a frame. So, and my grandkids, and so. This is just some letter tiles, and I only saw it at one Dollar Tree. Haven't seen it anywhere else, these. So I was excited to find them. It's only 26 letters each, so only one of each letter. So you will have to purchase multiple packs to get vowels, because you need a lot of vowels usually. Unless you have, you know, like my name only has 1 vowel in it, but if you have multiple people names, I just got enough because I'm like, I don't live where this particular store was at, and so I wanted to get as many as I could, so I'm going to have to come back, and if I came back, they're probably gone. I did get these. These are floral ribbon, so I got 2 of the silver, and it's 30 feet, and they are 3.2 inches wide, 10 yards. So yeah, you know, I was thinking to use this, you know, you could cut some bows out of it. Not just making it for a wreath or something like that. It's thin, so it doesn't really have a backing on it. So it is like a ribbon, but I think you can cut some other die cut some things out of that. We'll see. And they had it in the gold, so I got the gold as well. I just got both just in case, because I know they're going to be hard to come by. Yeah, so 7 or 8 of those. And then I was really shocked to find the silica gel. And Yvette, car making girl, she posted that you can, you know, dye these and use them as well. So cool. So I got them like in case I want to try to preserve some stuff like food. I don't know if this is a thing when you can use for it or not. But anyway, I picked up just in case. I'm refilming this over. I don't know what happened. Good thing I checked it. All of this part got cut off. But anyway, what I was saying was that I finally was able to find this tape. This metal ribbon, not tape, but metal ribbon is what it's called at the Dollar Tree. And I first saw it about 2 months ago on Nicole's, was it Love Scrap Glue channel, and she does the glue books, and I saw it about 2 months ago on her channel, and she was so excited, and she was like, it's 4 different ones, and she had never seen it, and I kept looking, and I kept looking, and I mentioned it, nobody else had seen it, but I finally got a hold of it, and it was just a couple, so I was able to get 2 each, and that was it. So So I was glad for that. So it's 4 different designs. It is metal, so it's sharp. But what I anticipate, you know, you can use this in your mixed media projects, and you can ink it with your alcohol inks and different things, or your paints, like your patinas, to make it weathered and old. So that's what I was thinking, that this would be great to use in mixed media projects. So, you know, I just thought, and it was already imprinted and had, you know, cut out. What's the term I'm trying to think of when you call it cut out? But anyway, that's what I'm saying. But let me show you 4 designs, and so in case you see it in your Dollar Tree, you can look for. So there are 4 designs. They all look a little bit different, but when you glance at them, you may think they are the same. All right, so this first one is probably the most obvious one that you can see, because it has that little diamond cut out. So you can tell that one really quickly. So I'm just going to call that one a diamond back shape. This one has, it reminds me, like in the middle, like of a little tulip. So I'm going to call this a tulip design. I don't know if you can see that inside. Right here is like a little flat piece, like a tulip design there. This one has like a little, like a beveled, not beveled, but just a raised oval, like a gemstone would be there. So that's a round oval piece right there. And then the last one, it's kind of like 2 infinities or figure 8s design. So that's how you can kind of know what you're looking for. So it's 4 different ones. Yeah, and that was it, and that's all they had at my store. But I have not seen it anywhere, and I have been looking. So I was excited to get that, because, you know, it's only, let's see, on each row, it's only 4 foot, so it's not a lot of metal, but it's heavy. I mean, it's a nice weight for $1.25, so really good deal on that, I think. You know, can't beat it, especially since it has an imprint and a different design. But that was the last thing I just wanted to show you. That mine was located on the same aisle. Like, I usually have a whole full aisle of craft items, and then on the second aisle of craft items where they have the wreaths and the ribbons. This was with the wreaths and the ribbons, and like the glass fillers, you know, with the beads and stuff, in the sand, and the floral stuff that you not the flower section that you make the flowers, but this is usually with the wreaths, and sometimes those kind of things like that. So, and that's what she said was in her store, and that's why I kept looking on that aisle stuff, just on the crafters square aisle. So if you have your store set up like that, look on the other aisle with the ribbons, where you will find your other items that are craft related, but not necessarily on the craft aisle. That's where I found mine. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.